Welcome back. Mining trucks will not ply on Kursade roads till 10th of April. Truck owners had earlier opposed this move, but the joint meeting on Tuesday at Kursade took this unanimous decision. Kursade is fuming for past 5 to 6 days. People at Kursade have demanded complete closure of mining traffic at Kursade. Truck owners, contractors and locals took a joint public meeting. Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar, Kursade MLA Shyam Satardekar and others were present at the meet. A unanimous decision of closure of mining traffic at Kursade till 10th of April was taken in this meeting. Parrikar has assured to solve this problem by 2011. Truck Owners Association earlier held a public meeting on Monday at Kursade. Contractors Ashok Naik, Subhash Fardesai, Prasad Fardesai, Salvador Pereira, Anton Fernandez and others were present. Various issues related to mining were discussed. Contractor Subhash Fardesai said almost 20,000 families will be affected if mining traffic is stopped.
साधारणतः 20,000 फॅमिलीज या 3 तालुक्या भितर डिपेंडेंट आसात. 20,000 फॅमिली गुणिले जर 4-5 झाली तर साधारण 1 लाख लोक या जर ट्रान्सपोर्ट 15 दीस बंद झाले तर जाल्यार तांच्यो चुली बंद जातात.
He also said that collector has not issued any notice intimating closure of mining traffic till 10th of April.
कलेक्टरान ऑर्डर दिवपाक नकार दिल्लो आसा. कलेक्टरान सांगला आपल्या अखत्यारी भितर आपल्या जे पावर आशिल्ले ते 4 तारीख पर्यंत बंद करपाक 5 दीस बंद करपाक ते आपले बंद केल्ले आसा. 5 दिसाचे वयर जर बंद करपाक जर जाय जाल्यार आपल्याक पावर्स ना आणि हो बंद जावचो ना. त्या वेळार आमचे मिडियान प्रुडंटान पसून दुसरे कडेन आमचे चीफ सेक्रेटरी कडेन संपर्क साधला. चीफ सेक्रेटरीने तेच उत्तर दिल्ले आसा.
A reporter from Kursade, Mayur Naik for Prudent Media. Naxal launched a major offensive killing at least 73 security personnel in an ambush in Dantewada district of Chhattisgarh early morning on Tuesday. The 120-man strong CRPF team was ambushed by heavily armed Naxals between 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. Union Home Minister P. Chidambaram has expressed deep shock over this ambush. The ambush took place in Dantewada district when the security personnel were on the way to Tadimelta in a vehicle. The Naxals first triggered a landmine blast. The moment the vehicle stopped, rebels ambushed the CRPF team from a hilltop. This is a worst attack against the security forces. The dead included 72 CRPF personnel from the 62nd Battalion and 1 Chhattisgarh State Police officer. CRPF DIG SRP Kalluri said the total casualty is 73 and about 12 CRPF personnel have been injured. Chhattisgarh police spokesperson R.K. Veet said reinforcement has reached the ambush site and recovered 40 bodies. The Naxalites attacked on Tuesday morning between 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. Efforts are on to evacuate the injured through helicopters. The security forces party was more than 80. However, senior Chhattisgarh police official and sources in Ministry of Home Affairs feared that toll could rise. A gun battle is also going on at Jagargunda in Chintalnar block of Dantewada district between hundreds of armed Naxal and about 100 CRPF personnel. The forces are facing difficulties as the area has been blocked by the Naxals. Naxals had built bunkers on the hilltop and CRPF personnel were not aware of the bunkers. The attack was pre-planned. Union Home Minister P. Chidambaram said he is deeply shocked. He is sorry for those who lost their life. He said the casualties are quite high. This shows the brutality of the Naxals. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. My residents are petrified by inspection drive by custodian of evacuee properties. Mayakas are afraid that custodian may demolish some of the houses at Saunar Bhatwadi May. Kashinath Mayakar of May Bhuvimochan Samiti has advised the locals not to get panicked by this inspection drive. Kashinath says it's just a gimmick.
Residents of Saunar Bhatwadi May are scared by the inspection drives of custodian. They fear that their houses might be demolished. Locals allege that custodians' notices are baseless.
घरा आमची अशी कायदेशीर आसा कित्याक आमकां पंचायतीचे नंबर बीन सगळे मेळिल्ले आहा तरी आसतना बेकायदेशीर म्हणून आमकां कळना शिवाय नोटीस धाडटात आनी भंय घालतात. अशें करून
कोण नोटीस धाड
नोटीस आमची कस्टडियन प्रॉपर्टी म्हणून तेंचे कडसून येतात नोटीस.
तुमकां हांगा कितें धमकायता बी तशें?
हय धमकयतात, तेच करता. धमकयतात, येतात तुमची घरां मोडटले म्हणून सांगतात, ते सांगतात. इतके सगळे लाखांनी पयशे मोडून तुमची घरां बांदले. घरां पयलींचीच, आतां मातशी रिपेर केले.
Poonam Karbotkar says her house is 35 years old.
आनी ते येयले आनी हय भरले न्हू सबन हांगासर खोळ्यान. मागीर ते पुलीस बिलीस म्हणटा भोव तांकां कोणी धाडल्या काय आनी कित्याक गेल्या काय अशें जाता न्हू. एका जाल्यार ते 30-35 वर्सां ती जातली. म्हणजे आतां हे बांदून एकाच जाले 200 वर्सां बांदून आतां चिऱ्यांचे. हे आली ती एका आली ती वर्स हे बांदून. म्हणल्यार हे पयलीं पारये हेचेच आसले न्हू, पिड्डे हेजे मातयेचे आसले. हे मातयेचे आसले आनी हेवूय बी मातयेचे.
President of Maye Bhumi Vimochan Samiti has advised the locals not to get scared of the gimmicks of custodian.
कितें जाता की घरांतले लोक जे आसा पळय हे भियेल्यात तांकां आतां अशें दिसलां की खरेंच हे आतां घरां मोडपाक येता काय कितें. हांव कस्टोडियन खात्याक एक विनंती करता की हे जे कितें सत्र तेंच्यांनी आरंभलेलें आसा हे तात्काळ बंद करचें. हें एक नाटक जावन आसा आमकां भिवपा खातीर. आनी मयेकारांकूय हांव एक विनंती करता की कांय भिवपाची गरज ना. मये भूविमोचन नागरीक कृती समिती जी आसा पळय न्हू ही तुमच्या खातीर सदैव तुमच्या बरोबर आसतली. कस्टोडियन खात्या कडल्यान तुमकां कितल्योय नोटिसो येवनी, कांय पर्वा करपाची गरज ना, कित्याक तुमी कायदेशीर आसात. पंचायतीन तुमची घरां सगळीं रजिस्टर आसात.
A reporter from Maye, Uday Parab.
Rotary Youth Leadership Awards organized by the Rotary Club of Panji is currently underway at Panji. The 4-day event is held as a community service for visually impaired. The Rotary Youth Leadership Awards, RYLA, is held annually as a community service event for the visually impaired. Around 58 blind students from Maharashtra, Karnataka and Goa are participating in it. The RYLA program is being held for the second consecutive year. It offers a variety of activities to the blind youth to train them vocationally. As a part of a 4-day event, a host of activities like boat cruise and learning clay modeling is lined up. As part of the event, they took out a rally too. President of Panji Rotary Club, Paresh Savardekar, said the club plans to have the event annually.
Our club, Rotary Club of Panji Rivera, is organizing this event. This event is going to be a 4-day event starting from today, 5th of April to the 8th of April, wherein we'll be training students, the blind students, blind participants who have come from different part of Goa, Karnataka and Maharashtra. We are going to train them in singing, in paper box making, greeting cards and various other things which will help them increase their vocational skills.
The most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt from the heart. Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Shan for Prudent Media. Let's take a short break here. Stay tuned.